In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Follow Me tool to create interesting profiled legs like you see in the image on the right side of the video. To get started, I am going to draw a circle on the ground. Now please note that the size of my circle certainly does not represent the size of the finished object. I'm drawing this larger than I need to, and I will simply shrink it or scale it later. So after I start with a circle, I'm going to draw a line off to the end, so from center to end of, or edge of circle, and then another line straight up. And you'll know your line is going straight up when you see it on the blue axis. From that point, I'm going to draw a rectangle that snaps to both the start and end of my two lines. And now I have a surface with which to draw the shape of my profile. So this isn't super detailed, but I'm going to keep it fairly simple and straightforward here. So I have my first part of the leg, then I have part of an arch, I have the second part of my leg, I have another detailed area in here, but I'm going to simplify this for the purposes of this tutorial. So I'm just going to draw my arch on face. And make sure it says on face. That means you're actually on the surface of this square. If it doesn't say on face and you spin it around, what you're going to see is that your arch actually comes off the surface and back in. So it's important that it does stay on that surface. And I'm going to finish up with another straight line, one more little detail. There we go. And one last line. Take this one straight up. Now, when you click on your profile, if you see it clearly separated from the other half of the profile, you know your leg is going to work. If these all highlight like that, you know it's not going to work. Somewhere on your profile you have drawn something that was not on face. So you may have to go back and redo it, or you can simply find which one of those lines is not lying flat on your surface and then redoing that one section. So now I have the profile that I do want to use. So I'm going to highlight the unwanted area. And then what I'm going to do is click on the circle. And I can either click on the plane or the surface of the circle, or I can click on the edge of the circle. Either one should work. Then you choose Follow Me, and you click on your shape. And that will spin your shape and give you your profiled leg. Now this is the time when you can delete your base, highlight your leg, and scale it appropriately. So I can make it smaller, I can make it taller, or I could distort it and turn it into an oval if I wanted to. So there you go. That is using your Follow Me tool to create an interesting profile for part of your furniture, such as the leg of a table.